Hey everyone, Mike Witt with Kontek Industries, and today we're going to quickly talk about two different types of common shields that we'll see across law enforcement as well as nuclear security. In front of me I have a Blue Ridge Handheld 3A shield. So this shield is particularly designed for law enforcement or security forces that are defending against a particular threat. So in this case, this is 3A rated, so essentially your .44 Magnum and below for pistol calibers. These types of shields are great for movement with team. Actually around here I am wearing a sling, which is amazing for long-term duration. But as you can see, if you go and hook in your sling, and you're locked in here if you're a left-handed shooter, the entire front of my body, as you can see up here, has pretty good coverage, and I'm able to actually go and see through my viewport and engage targets. And teammates can move in kind behind me. However, this kind of shield is really going to give primarily protection for me, the point man, going into a structure. So it's lightweight, great for maneuverability, and Blue Ridge Armor does make shields also against rifle threats, so they do have similar configurations that are designed for 3+ protection, which would be like your 5.56 and 7.62 rounds. Those are obviously just heavier, but provide the same kind of protection and conceptually used in the same way. So these are really versatile for making approach to buildings, entering into rooms, approaching vehicles, things of that nature. So the difference between that and what you'd see like here from our MFP Lite V2, this comes as standard as 3+ and can also come in NIJ4. What this is really designed for, in particular for like nuclear security forces, a lot of these will be pre-staged inside of a facility, so should they need to respond to a particular area, whether it's a hallway or a room, they'll have them pre-staged and be able to deploy them quickly to give ballistic protection to a responding officer. In a law enforcement application, really the main use or application for something like this is having them pre-staged inside of a school for a school resource officer to use during an active shooter event. Outside of that, really ideal for deploying and when you're setting a ballistic cordon, right? So you're setting a cordon or essentially a perimeter around the exterior of a structure or an objective. And so instead of officers strictly relying on their natural environment, whether it be a trash can, trees, things like that, to give them ballistic protection from a threat, they can go and quickly deploy these and actually give them true ballistic protection from a static cordon position. So that's really the main use case for law enforcement. Outside of that, price point difference, these are the MFP Lite V2 is a lot less expensive because again it's more of a static type system that can be deployed for cordons or interior response for security forces. The more versatile hand-carried Blue Ridge shield, they are more expensive, but they do have a lot more applications than like a static barrier such as our MFP Lite V2. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@kontekindustries.com and we'll be happy to help you.